Hi guys and welcome to another episode of Paul's POV. I'm Paul and this is my first impressions video of the OnePlus Bud Z. I will be coming out with a more in-depth review that I usually do. If you're interested in viewing that, remember to check back in or click that notification bell icon. See if it does the thing. It doesn't do the thing. Oh, it does the thing slowly. Really slowly. Oh, awesome. Straight away, no literature. It's just the capsule, which is cool. Oh, yeah. Let's see what it has in the literature. Oh, it comes with a cable, USB-C cable, with the nice traditional OnePlus white and red coloring on the inside as well, which I'll show you in B-roll, I'm sure. And literature, which I don't think anyone's interested in. You get your spare ear tips, I guess, which come in this weird thingamajig. And let's get started guide and a safety and warranty. Do you know how long the warranty is on these? A lot of manufacturers have the 6-month warranty. Obviously it makes sense if you have a 1-year warranty, because then you get your money's worth if it gives trouble, like some earbuds I've reviewed in the past. So this is the OnePlus Bud Z case. It comes in a nice glossy finish. It does remind me kind of the Oppo Enco W31. But maybe a bit larger. I could be wrong, I'll have to check. But it's a nicely finished case. Again, glossy, so it may pick up scratches in time. It does have a notification light on the front, USB-C charging at the back, cable provided, and it also, if you don't look carefully, the rear does have a very neatly recessed, almost flush reset button. So if you do have any problems with the earbuds, you can always reset them. And of course you get the buds in the case and a little notification light. The placement of these buds is quite funny, because if you're an octopus you can take it out easily. According to the Let's Get Started guide, these have touch areas, which I'm sure you all know about already, and they'll have the double tap features and whatever else, but I don't think these have volume control, which is something that manufacturers should implement into all the earphones now. So the fit and finish of this is quite nice actually. These are the first OnePlus products I'm actually reviewing, and I have to say I'm quite happy with this, considering they come in at a price of $31.90. I bought these for about $2,999. It is a very nice build, and dare I say it, the glossy finish does look kind of tough, so I don't think it will scratch as easily as some cheaper earphones. The reset button at the back, I believe, is also a button for connecting to new devices. And the OnePlus Bud Z do have the option of connecting to multiple devices, which is something a lot of other earphones do not have. So yeah, on a feature front, I think it's very similar to other earphones that are already in the market. On a build front, it's at par. Like compared to some of the Oppos I've reviewed, it looks very similar to them. I do like the magnetic tug that these have when you slot them in. It's got a very confident click that goes back in. Bluetooth pairing request, yes. Cool. So let's see how these things sound. Usually the stock earbuds don't fit me, but let's see if these must be mediums. Yeah, nice isolation. We'll try and keep it down and then they start screaming. Okay, let's see. What should I listen to? 50 most played international. There's an EDM song with an Alok remix. Who the hell is Alok? And why is he remixing songs? 90s one-hit wonders. Eagle Eye Cherry. Oh wow. Oh, sorry. I can't hear you, and the isolation is pretty good actually.
What are you listening to?
Monster by Shawn Mendes and Justin Bieber. But the fit is pretty good, yeah. Like usually I have to change the ear tips for most earphones, but this is quite comfortable. So right off the bat, first of all, these do feel really comfortable, at least for those few minutes that I've worn them and used them. These are very fun sounding earphones. Dance music does sound quite enjoyable. It is full bodied, but it does have a few things that are missing out, but nothing too major, nothing that is really a deal breaker. But I'd like to spend a lot more time with these and cover them really in depth, like most of my reviews are. So the OnePlus Bud Z do look quite promising, and I'd really like to do an in-depth review of these. So I'm going to get to work, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So thank you guys for tuning into Paul's POV for some sound advice.
Huh? So I have a question.